All right, so you want to make money online. Now pay attention. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that pay $10 per task. All you have to do is do as many tasks available to you and make as much money as you can. Now don't be lazy. Let's do this. Alright, now open your browser. Now in your browser search bar, you're going to type in userfuel.com. Now once you land on the Userfuel page, on the Userfuel website page, you can see that Userfuel is a business. Alright, Userfuel is a business that helps web developers and app developers to find people to test their application user interface and their website user interface. That's what Userfuel does. Now what you want to do is not run a usability test. What you want to do is become a tester so that you can get paid. So you click on become a tester. Now as soon as you click on becoming a tester, you can see that every test that you do, Userfuel pays you $10 per test, and every test lasts between 10 to 20 minutes, not less than 10 minutes or not more than 10 minutes, but you can have more than 10 minutes. Not more than 20 minutes. You can have more than 20 minutes. You can go up to 30 minutes depending on the task, but it should not be less than 10 minutes. Now what you want to do is click on the login button. So I'm going to click on the login button like so. Now once you click that, you can see that if you have an account, you can log in, but if you are new, you're going to go at the bottom and click register as a tester. Now once you click that, you will be taken to this page where you have to fill in your name and all other required information for you to become a tester at Userfuel. Now the part I'm interested in is this part. You're going to do the drop down menu there and you are going to click PayPal. I recommend you to choose PayPal, although you can also choose your bank card, but use PayPal. And on the other side, you're going to put in your PayPal email address. Now you're going to fill in all of these as faithfully as you can, because the tests that you will be given are very much dependent on the information that you give them. So you want to be very honest. Now you will run into things like not available in your country, not available in your region. For some of you, I don't know what's wrong with these companies, why they say not available in your country, not available in your region. But if you do run in such problems, I have a solution at the end of the video that's going to help you and make these companies think you are in the United States, and they will make it available for you. Okay, so after you've done filling in your information, you're going to click on apply for tester. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the solution of how to make these companies think you are in the United States. Okay, now go back to your search bar. Number 2, the other website, you're going to type in usertesting.com. Now once you type in usertesting.com and you're on the user testing page, now remember, user testing is just like Userfuel, but different companies. They're just in the same industry. All right, they're just in the same industry, but they're different companies. Now on user testing, you're going to click on get paid like so, and you will type in your email address in that bar, and after you type in your email address, you will click on apply, and you will wait for these guys to contact you. It's less than a week, maximum a week, but it does not take a week. It never takes a week. It's always less than a week. So you're going to click in that typing bar, and you're going to type in your email address, and you're going to click apply, and you will wait for them to contact you. Okay, everything that you're going to do here is just like what you did on Userfuel, on filling in all the information that is required. Now I'm going to show you the third website. Now go back to your search bar. Now in this search bar, you're going to type in testingtime.com. Okay, now you can go directly as testingtime.com. For me, I just typed in testing time, so it's showing me results. Now in the search results, I'm going to click on testingtime.com. Now once you land on their page, it looks like this. All right, remember, this one is also just like user testing and user fill, but different companies, they're just in the same industry. Now once you land on these guys page, you're going to click on become a tester. Okay, become a tester, because you want to make money. So you click on become a tester like so. Now once you click on that, you're going to be taken to this page. You click on sign up now. Okay, now once you click on sign up, you're going to fill up all the information that you're required to do. Okay, you're going to give them the information that they require to make you a tester. Okay, and you're going to click on next, and until you're done filling up the information, and you will wait for them to contact you. Okay, now this is a testing time. You click on next, and you will do all that is required for them to either decide if you can become a tester or not. Now moving on to the next website, in your search bar, type in trymyui.com. Okay, trymyui.com. Now once you are on the landing page for trymyui.com, this is what it looks like. You can see down here it says get your first 5 user test results free. That's not for you. That's for web developers and app developers. All right, that's not for you. What you want to do is make money. Okay, so what you want to do is go up there and click where it says get paid to test. So move your mouse, go up there and click right here where it says get paid to test. Click that, and once you click that, you'll be taken to this new page where they will ask for some information, just like in the previous website that we've been doing. You're going to fill in your information as honestly as possible. Okay, now don't worry about things like not available in your country, not available in your region. I'm going to show you that trick at the end of the video, how to make these companies think you are in America. Okay, now these guys don't even want you to deploy the banker. They strongly recommend that you use PayPal. You're going to put your PayPal email address up there where it is heavily recommended in red ink. Now after you're done here, you will go back to your search bar and you're going to type in Analicia.com. You're going to type in Analicia.com. Now I want to make this clear. At the moment, as of today, Analicia is not hiring. They're not hiring. They have shut down for a while because they're doing upgrades on their system. Now the reason is here. I'm going to read it for you. Want to become a user tester? If you'd like to learn more about becoming a paid user tester, we recommend that you check back in the coming weeks. Web usability is an industry that goes through regular transformation, and this means that we had to go through a transformation as well. Analicia is not what it once was. It's turning into something greater. Now what this means is these guys have shut down so that they can do some major upgrades to their system, because as you can see, it says their web usability is an industry that goes through regular transformation, but in a couple of weeks to come they will open. And this sounds like bad news that they have shut down, but believe me, it's actually good news, because when they open, they're going to do a lot of hiring. Okay, they're going to do a lot of hiring. So what I recommend is that you check back on this website maybe after 3 days or maybe twice a week. You check on this website if they have started hiring. You want to be one of the first people to join the team. And I forgot to mention this, all these companies that I've been showing you, all these websites that I've been showing you, when they have had a lot of people that they want, they even close and say, we've got all the panelists that we require, please try next time. So when these guys start to run, you want to be one of the first people to apply. You want to take that opportunity. All right, now at the end, at the beginning of the video, I said that I'm going to show you how to make these companies think you're in America. Now you can see here in my download folder, I have this app. It's called FreeGet. I'm going to show you how to get it. I have a link in the description below which you're going to follow. But before I start using it, I want to show you something. I'm going to go on my search bar there, and I'm going to type in my email, I'm going to type in my IP address. Now I want to show you this. Right now it shows our IP address is in Lusaka, Zambia. It's very correct about the country. I'm in Zambia right now because that's my country, and about the city, that's not very correct. That's not correct, but the country, it is correct. You know how Google works. It's not always 100% correct where you are, but the country is very correct. Now I'm going to minimize this. Now what I'm going to do, what you should also do before you start using that app, the VPN app, you're going to log out of everything that you have logged into on your computer. So I'm logging out of my Google account right now. As you can see, I am now logged out, and I'm going to minimize that. Now I am also logged in on my other browser, my Mozilla Firefox. So I'm going to open the Firefox, and then I'm going to click on my YouTube. Now I want to log out of my YouTube channel. Okay, so right there you can see, and I'm going to sign out like so. All right, now you can see up there that I am signed out, and it's asking me to sign in. I am signed out. Now that's good. That's really good. Now you can see I also have the Torch browser, but I don't use it for other things other than just downloading movies, so I don't log into accounts with the Torch browser. That's okay. So I'm going to go to my download folder, and I'm going to open Frigate. I'm running this Frigate as admin. So you can see Frigate is now loading up. It's searching for a server that it can connect us to. Okay, let's just wait for a few seconds. Server 5. All right, we are connected to server number 9. As soon as that is done, Frigate is going to open up a pop-up window on in one of the browsers that you use, showing you that you can download Frigate Android proxy. You can download Frigate for Android. You can also download Frigate for Windows. Now I'm going to close that. Now remember, I was checking my IP address. Now we're going to go back to that browser, and we're going to, okay, let me just close this a little bit. Don't close Frigate, just let it run in the background. Now on this page, I'm going to refresh the page. Remember, it says Lusaka right now. Now look at that. We're no longer in Zambia. We're now in the United States. We're in Menlo Park. Right now, it shows that we're in the United States and we're in Menlo Park. Now, only after you have done this, if you are running into problems like not available in your country, not available in your region, if you are running into such problems, only after you do that, that's when you can now go to Userfew and user testing and all those other websites that I've been showing you, because on their system it's going to reflect that you are in America, so it will now be available. Okay, let's close this now. We've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and like the video.